So today I'm going to show you how to remove your old fender vents and install these Ford Air Design Sport Fender Vents on your 21 and up F-150. They already come kind of like a satin black with honeycomb insert there. So it's pretty simple to remove it. Come over here. All you really want to do is get behind here. Give it a good pry, and they should start popping out. Don't yank on it, just pull. Okay, they're plastic clips on this side. There's metal clips that the vent side pushes into, and you don't want to pull these out. You kind of want to pinch them together and pull them through the inside. You go the other way and you might wreck them. I would save them in case you ever want to put your old stuff back on. That's how you remove them. It's fairly simple. I don't have small hands, so getting in between there like some people are doing in order to squeeze them doesn't really work. Make sure you clean them off before you reinstall them. I'm on this side. I got everything taped off. I didn't like the way you could see the white inside there like you can on the other side, so I'm spraying some flat black on the inside. As you can see, if I were to put the new vent on here just in place, you can see how you can see everything on the inside. I don't really want to see that. Some people might be okay with that. I'm not. So I'll end up cleaning this up, taping that off, using a gray Scotch-Brite to fix that. Not fix it, but scuff it up just enough to where paint will adhere to it, and I'll pop everything back on. Okay. It's lined up where I want it. Now, one of the reasons why you never pull them off completely is if you need to make any little adjustments, and then all you do is pull it down, press into place, pull down. Don't yank, just pull. Press into place. That's it. Press into place. It's a new fender vent. So this is the old one, and that's the new one. nice swivel out the wall. Showed you before, never ever just place them with all the sticky sides of this thing showing. So line it up exactly where you want. Mark it with a piece of tape so you know exactly where you're going. I'm giving it about an 1/8 of an inch of a gap between the door edge and leave a little piece on top so that you can hold it. Now, peel off just a little bit, angle it up so you can grab a hold of it. I use just a little piece of, I'm sorry, not a little piece, but a razor blade. But if you've got fingernails that are good, which I don't, I keep my fingernails short. Just barely nick the edge and peel it up. This way, when you're putting it on the car, you're not sticking it all on there and then you're like, oh no, it's in the wrong spot. Now I've got them all bent out. Put it in place. Tighten it up. Press it on just a little bit. Peel everything off. Remember not to push too hard when you're first putting it on. That way you don't tear it when you're in there. Which is why I like to peel both ends, so that you're not screwed. And remember not to yank on it, just pull lightly. And give it a good push. Hold it to stick properly. Peel off the tape. That's it. Now you don't really see anything on the inside except maybe a reflection, but you're not going to see that when the hood's closed. So that's about it. Just make sure everything's nice and clean so everything sticks. That's what it looks like from the inside. Let's see if I can get it in focus. Doesn't look like I can. Anyway, you get the idea. That's what the new one looks like, and that's what the old one looks like.